Hello guys! Hello Aries! Welcome dito sa aking channel, Haplaren888. Welcome! Alamin natin Aries kung anong messages, energy, gabay para sa inyong lahat. I hope na makaresonate kayo dito. Please connect your intuition sa lahat ng mga nanonood para makuha nyo yung message. This is a general message para sa collective na Aries. Okay, Opal and Caressa. Okay. So, yung first card mo dito, Aries, this is all about children, child, inner child, parang ganun. So, your children on earth and in heaven are happy and well cared for by the God and the angels. So, yun. Kung isang Aries na may anak ka na, is either may edad ka na, namatay na yung anak mo, you don't need to worry na kung nasaan man siya, kung nasa langit ba siya, or kung nasaan. Because, sinasabi na, God and the angels are caring for your baby, or for your angels, for your children, here on earth and in heaven. Okay? So, kung may mga inaalala ka tungkol sa anak mo, like may mga maliliit kang anak, nag-aaral na anak, kung sino man, apo, pamangkin, hindi ka daw dapat nag-aalala. Okay? Next is Caressa. Etong Caressa na to, this is parang confirmatory message. Sinasabi sa'yo na ikaw daw ay nasa end ng cycle ng buhay mo. So, magtatapos yung 2026. So, may magtatapos din na estado sa buhay mo. Okay? So, tawagin mo yung mga angels and guides para i-comfort ka and i-guide ka sa next step mo. Okay? May naghihintay na masaya at exciting na buhay sa likod ng 2025. Going to 2026 onwards. Okay, so Page of Cups, Queen of Wands, Four of Pentacles, Ace of Wands, Ace of Cups. Okay. Okay. So, Page of Cups, Queen of Wands, Four of Pentacles, and Ace of Wands. Kung makikita mo dito, Aries, isang napakagandang balita ang posibleng darating sa'yo, because there's someone here, like water sign, Pisces, Scorpion, Cancer, or family members, or someone na nagkikare sa'yo, ang posibleng magdadala sa'yo ng balita. And this news ay sobrang exciting siya. Exciting news na pwedeng makatulong sa'yo para makapag-ipon ka ng pera, para madagdagan yung ipon mo, and at the same time, you will receive an exciting news na pwedeng magdala sa'yo ng financial freedom, or parang luxurious experience, parang ganun. In terms of relationship, sa linggong ito, hindi ka dapat nag-aalala. You don't need to worry because love life going stronger. Yung love life mo, family life, family ties, or friendship, or any collaboration. Alright. Love life. Nakikita ko sir dito na maybe you're traveling, or your love life is traveling. The other half is traveling. So, yun. Parang meeting of two person na in love. So, yun. Magme-meet up yung dalawa. Moving in, pwedeng magde-decide na mag-live-in or magde-travel together or resting together. Parang ganun. So, you're in vacation with your loved ones or with your love life. Parang ganun. Hangman and, oh, wow. Kaso lang, it's either yung iba sa inyo dito ay, yun, may plano kayong mag-move in, living together. Pero yung iba naman sa inyo dito, there's a travel. Oh, there's a travel na pwedeng hindi matuloy. Okay? Isang travel na hindi matutuloy is because of lack of money. May mahang dito. It's either gusto mong bumili ng sasakyan, magbenta ng sasakyan this week, hindi siya matutuloy. So, makakaramdam ka ng ng panghihinayang. And if you're waiting for, like, ang tagal mong pinaghandaan to like, nag-aantay ka ng plane ticket or ng visa or ng confirmation, pwedeng ma-delay siya. Alright. Okay, so 6 of Wands, Hierophant, and 9 of Cups. Wow. There's a victory and success coming So, kung makikita mo dito, may isang tao dito na talagang tutulungan ka para matupad yung pangarap mo. It's either family member siya or talagang yung friendship nyo ay sobrang strong, yung foundation. Pwedeng meron ditong mentor. May isang tao na parang i-guide ka para makamit mo yung, halimbawa, sa paligid mo, lahat ng tao na may mga third party, naghihiwalayan, ganyan, ganito. But may someone dito na it's either this is your parents or family member na i-guide ka, lalo na sa mga emotional problems mo or emotional decision sa linggong ito. 6 of Pentacles. Wow. So, kung makikita mo dito, 662, 12, 13, 14. Meron ditong Aries na possible na may trabaho ka dati. Okay? May trabaho ka dati and gusto mong balikan yung trabahong to. It's either company yung gusto mong balikan or the person itself or the job itself or the career. But the problem is, hindi ka sigurado if welcome ka pa. Nakikita ko sir dito na sa linggong ito ay pwedeng medyo medyo malungkot ka, magre-reminisce ka sa panahon na etong taong ito, meron kang naiisip na tao na palagi kang binibigyan, is either binibigyan ka ng advice, ng pera, ng lahat. And this week, mamimiss mo, this is Christmas season, so parang may isip mo, kailangan mo pala yung taong to. Okay? Sino ba yan? Kasi you're reminiscing reminiscing of the past. It's either this is a relationship, it's either this is someone na nakatulong sa'yo sa past mo. Okay, the Hermit. And, diba? Paskong Pasko. Be careful, Aries. Okay, be careful, Aries, kasi kailangan mo ng katahimikan this week ay possible na ma-trigger ka. Pwedeng makahanap ka ng kaaway. It's either kapatid mo, magulang, kaibigan, or kung sino man siya. So, you need to have peace of mind or you need to parang control your emotions. Yun. Okay? So, thank you guys for watching and see you again. Bye!